the single reason for Bitcoin's recent massive price increase. This month has been a busy one for the Bitcoin market, as the pioneer cryptocurrency has seen a significant price increase. Bitcoin's price, which surpassed $50,000 for the first time since early September this week, surged around 10% on the day to surpass $55,000. Additionally, the surge coincided with the largest cryptocurrency's market cap returning to over $1 trillion. At the moment, Bitcoin requires a surge of approximately 20% from current levels, or an addition of approximately $10,000 to its current price, in order to reach its previous all-time high. However, sentiment remains divided, as some analysts have attributed the recent surge to bearish factors. Crypto Whale, a popular analyst and investor, took to Twitter to explain the single reason for the surge, stating, "The sole reason we pumped yesterday was because someone purchased nearly $2 billion in Bitcoin. The thing is, the BTC has never left the exchange, which means they are very likely to sell it soon. Simply another bait and switch ruse. Avoid becoming avaricious." The longtime contrarian has maintained the same position for some time, insisting that Bitcoin's true value is somewhere around $10,000, with the current price being inflated by Tether's unbacked USDT. He warns that Bitcoin is likely to crash in the coming weeks due to the fact that the surge appears to be driven solely by euphoric investors returning to the market, noting that there is still little demand for Bitcoin and that a large amount of the cryptocurrency is sitting in exchanges waiting to be dumped and manipulators begin profiting. By contrast, some observers have cited other entirely bullish reasons for the surge. According to a Forbes article, the pump was connected to Wall Street titans piling into the market. Notably, several of the world's largest banks have recently reiterated their bullishness on Bitcoin. Just this week, Bank of America stated in a report that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have grown too large to ignore and are only in their infancy. Similarly, US Bank, a leading retail bank, launched a Bitcoin custody service for its clients this week in collaboration with NYDIG, with plans to expand the service to include additional cryptocurrencies and sub-custodian partners. Additionally, the market received some relief from regulatory oversight concerns when SEC Chairman Gary Gensler and Federal Reserve President Ben Bernanke stated that the United States had no intention of following China's lead and banning cryptocurrencies. Regardless of the short-term outlook, market sentiment is generally bullish for Bitcoin. According to market analyst Vander Poppy, Bitcoin will continue to grow in value well into 2022. According to the Dutch quant, Bitcoin will most likely reach $275,000 to $325,000 in the first quarter of 2022 before correcting downward again. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.